Okay, let's do a couple bond pricing problems so we get a little handle on work on this. The first one is, what is the price of a 10-year bond, the $1,000 bond that pays 3% semi-annual interest if interest rates are at 5%? So if interest rates are now at 5% and it originally paid 3%, interest rates have gone from 3% up to 5%. So up to 5%, what is the price going to be? The price is, if interest rates went up, bond prices are going to be lower. So it's going to be lower than the $1,000 we have here, but how much lower? So what do you think our variables are for our equation? Well, it's pretty straightforward. You look at this and it shows a 10-year bond, semi-annual, 10 times 2 is 20. I is the current yield to maturity, the current interest rate, the current amount of interest that the market is paying. I is 5%, and we divide that by 2 for 2.5%. We're looking for PV. We know what this that is here. It's shown here. And then payment. Payment is $1,000 for 3% for the whole year, which is 1,000 times 3% is $30. Divided by 2 is $15. And of course, the future value is $1,000. And the calculator tells us that it's $844.10 is the value of the bond that now, currently. So interest rates have gone from 3% up to 5%. If you want to sell your bond, you're only going to get $844.10 for it, because you have to sell it in a marketplace that is paying 5%. The bond will only pay coupons of $30, even though existing bonds are paying coupons of $50 going forward. Even more than that going forward. So the current coupon is 5% of $1,000, which is $50, divided by 2 is 25. So the current coupon is 25. Your coupon is $30 divided by 2 is 15. So the coupon difference, you're making up for that coupon difference in your price. Did you follow that? I hope so. Okay, so let's do another price. What is the price of a 10-year bond that pays 3% semi-annual interest if interest rates are 2%? Aha! So we've gone from 3% up to 5%. Now we're going to go down to 2%. Well, interest rates went up, bond prices went down. Well, in this case, interest rates are going down, so bond price should go up. Okay, let's look at our example. 10 times 2 is 20. We know that it's a 10-year bond. Semi-annual will be 2 times 10 payments is 20. I is 2%, which is the current interest rate, divided by 2 is 1%, obviously, per period. The payment is the same. The future value is the same. We get a present value of $1,090.22. So we have a bond that was $1,000 at 3%. Interest rates have fallen to 2%. The current new bonds are issued at 2%. Your bond pays 3%, so your bond coupons are $15. The 2% bond coupon is going to be what? Yeah, 2% of 1,000 is 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the coupon payment is not going to be 15, it's going to be 10. However, to make up for that, they're going to give you, or you're going to be able to get a significant increase in your present value, which is $1,090.22. So the existing people can only get a $10 coupon. You're giving them a $15 coupon, and for that you're going to charge them an extra $90.22. So what can we say about this? The bond price of a 10-year bond that moves from 3% up to 5% falls to $844. If the bond price moves down from 3%, or moves down from 3% down to 2%, the bond becomes more valuable, $1,090. So when interest rates go up, bond prices move down. When interest rates go down, bond prices move up. They move exactly inversely. So that is a very crucial point of bond pricing and cornerstone of understanding bonds. On top of that, more importantly, is why do they do that? It's because you're comparing an existing bond with a set coupon rate with a new bond that has a different coupon rate. And to adjust for that difference in payment, we change the price of the bond. And so the price of the bonds will fluctuate. Now, bond traders, they trade billions, trillions of dollars worth of bonds, and they're really betting on interest rates. They're betting on the fluctuation of interest rates over time. If interest rates keep going down, which they went down for long periods of time, they kept going down, then bond prices kept going up. So that was a way that people make money. Now, currently, bond prices are really low. When I'm taping this video, we're still at very low interest rates, and as interest rates rise, bond prices will fall. So be looking for that in the future. Okay, so that is an overview of bond pricing. Let's move on to maturity.